Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Monica.
of the Mike and Monica Nelson team of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Home Sale Realty.
Let's take a look at our featured listing.
Welcome to 15908 Falls Road in Sparks, Maryland. This well-maintained 4-bedroom, 2-bath, country home located in the Hereford zone sits on a private setting of more than 3.5 acres. The kitchen has been updated with stainless appliances and 2 skylights. There's lots of natural light in the living room, which opens to a private back patio. A very large family room and rec room have endless possibilities with a gas fireplace. This home features a new roof, siding, gutters and guards, and windows within the past 2 years. Live outside this summer enjoying your 20-foot by 40-foot in-ground pool, which has glass tile, LED lighting, a newer panel, coping, plumbing, wiring, a Polaris automatic vacuum, and a shimmering plaster still under warranty. There's a nice pool house with a large screened-in deck as well as an outside deck for sunning by the pool. The circular driveway has plenty of room for parking. There is an easy walk down the street to Basignani Winery to enjoy all that they have to offer. Don't let this one get away.
Thanks for watching.
Please go to MikeNelsonRealtor.com for more information.
Main Street Home Loans, marketing rich enough to be used by America's finest real estate agents.